Why TypeScript is better than JavaScript? Did you know that 78% of developers who tried TypeScript never go back to vanilla JavaScript? And according to the 2024 Stack Overflow Survey, TypeScript is now the #1 most loved language, beating even Python and Rust. But why? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, today we're talking about TypeScript, the superhero version of JavaScript that's taking over web development. From startups to giants like Google and Netflix, developers are switching to TypeScript. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. Imagine this. You're building a shopping cart in JavaScript. You write total tax price plus quantity, but instead of 100, it shows 50-50 because JavaScript thought quantity was a string. Runtime errors like this waste hours of debugging. And as projects grow, JavaScript's flexibility becomes a nightmare. Unclear code. What does this function return? A number? A string? Who knows? Theme chaos. Without types, your code becomes a puzzle for coworkers. Slow refactoring. Change one variable. Good luck finding every place it's used. Enter TypeScript. It's JavaScript with a safety net. Here's how it fixes JavaScript's flaws. 1. Static typing. Function calculate total, price, number, quantity, numbers. TypeScript catches errors as you type. That 50-50 bug, it'd block you before hitting run. 2. Tooling superpowers. With VS Code, TypeScript predicts variables, auto-completes methods, and even flags typos. It's like having a coding assistant. 3. Cleaner code. Interfaces and classes turn spaghetti code into a structured blueprint. Example. Interface user. Name, string. Age, number. Why TypeScript is better than JavaScript? Now everyone on your team knows what a user looks like. 4. Smooth refactoring. Rename a variable. TypeScript updates every reference instantly. No more find and replace disasters. In 2023, Slack migrated to TypeScript and reduced runtime errors by 40%. Their team reported faster onboarding for new devs thanks to self-documenting code, fewer late-night production fire calls, 2 gigs faster feature development after the switch. Even Airbnb saw a 38% drop in bugs after adopting TypeScript. The verdict? TypeScript pays off, especially for big apps. So, is TypeScript better? For reliability, teamwork, and scalability, absolutely. It's not just a trend, it's the future of web dev. Want to avoid bugs and sleep better at night? TypeScript's got your back. Drop a comment. Have you tried TypeScript? Love it? Hate it? Let's debate. And smash that subscribe button. Next week, we're breaking down 2025's hottest web dev trends you can't miss. See you there.